Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to get Google's Gemini API key. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC, open a new tab, go to the search bar and type in Get Gemini API Key. Type in this, hit enter and you will see a list of search results. Under these search results, click on the link that says ai.google.dev/Gemini API/docs/API key. So click on this Get a Gemini API Key link and you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, click on Get a Gemini API Key in Google AI Studio. When you click on this small button, it is going to promote you to your Google Studio page where you'll have to make sure you're logged in. If you're not, you'll have to basically enter your Gemini credentials and you will see this page. Now on this page, click on Get API Key button at the top left and this is going to promote you to this page where you'll have to click on Create API Key. Now click on Got it. After that, this is going to open up this small pop-up where you'll have to select a project from your existing Google Cloud projects. Click on the search icon and choose an already existing project, then click on Create API Key in existing project. Now this will generate API key for your Google Gemini. Now as you can see, this API key has been generated and you can use this API key securely and make sure you don't share them or embed them in code the public can view. Click on the copy button just right here, then you can go ahead and paste this API key anywhere you want. Also, you'll have to make sure you remember that you use the API keys securely. Do not share them or embed them in public code. Use of Gemini API from a billing enabled project is subjected to this pay-as-you-go pricing plan. Click on it, it is going to open the pricing models. You'll have to see the pricing and then proceed with getting your API key. So that's how you get Google's Gemini API key. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.